I wanna be with you from the start to the end. Baby girl, don't break my heart too. So I'm connecting proxy, so I'm logged into Dishful Socks. United States, I will choose the Nebraska. Then city, I think that should be, is it not La Vista? Okay, since it's not La Vista, let me make it of Lincoln City. I'll make it of Lincoln City. So the essence why I'm using mobile for this stuff, for the person that will say I want to apply but I don't have a PC. Yeah, you can also do this with making use of your mobile. Make use of your mobile device. So that's it. So the same process on your mobile and also on your PC. Just repeat the same thing. So I'll click on search. So I'll copy this. So this is the IP. So I'll go to Kiwi browser. I can also connect this proxy making use of turn to socks on my mobile PC. Input the IPs, the hosts and the ports. Click on start connect and everything will be working. But I want to make use of just Kiwi browser only. I don't want to connect my whole phone to proxy, so that's why I want to make use of Kiwi browser. So I will add it. I will use extension so that for the person that's also going to be using their PC, so they could repeat the same thing I'm doing. Let me clear this browser first. Let me make it a new browser, a newly downloaded browser, so the person will not say it's already connected. It didn't show us how to connect it. So let me launch the browser from beginning. Welcome to Q browser. So I'll go to extensions. So I will make it a switch omega extension. Even on your PC, on your Chrome, you use the same switch omega. Add to Chrome. Okay. I wanna be with you from the start to the end. Skip guide. Click on proxy. Protocol. Socks 5. Proxy server. You put the IP. Clear this. Paste the copied IP. Then now you are gonna delete from watch where I'll stop. You clear this semicolon. That's where you are supposed to stop. All the numbers after the semicolon is what is going to go into the port, not the server. So you clear the semicolon, come to the port, input the ones you cleared from there. So I cleared 43296. 43296. So you hit on save, apply changes. So you now go to word.net. So before you go to word.net, turn on the proxy. So now click on it, come to here, I'll highlight so the proxy is turned on. So you can see it's now on blue. So search with word.net. To see the anonymity level. So Lincoln, United States. So my word on there is showing 90, so it's not 200. So it's from my time, that the time on my device. So you have to change the time, your time zone, so that it corresponds with the state or the country or the city you are connecting to. So my time is on West African Standard Time, while the time of Lincoln in Nebraska is CDT. So I have to change the WST to the CDT, which is minus 05. So I'll come to System Management, go to Date and Time Zone, select United States, minus 05, that's Chicago time. Come back here, refresh, everything is now all right. It's now 100%. It's now 100% anonymity level. So this is it. So it's to begin the application. I already copied the link already, but you can just search from scratch. TELUS. Oh, I did not copy the link. Okay, it's there. I already have the link with me, so you also go direct. No need for beating around the bush. I wanna be with you from the start. So I've already uploaded the CV. So you click on upload from device, click on the CV, then continue. So everything is here, Collier, and so it's why Teresa is not here, because it's only the first name and last name that's gonna pick. So it picked the Gmail address, the state. So I'll put the phone number manually. That's why I left the phone number on my clipboard. So here too, you're going to remove all the underscores and the brackets. You remove it too, all the underscores and the brackets. Yeah. Are you legally able to work in the country that you are applying? Yes. Even if you're in Nigeria or in Ghana, tell them you are legally able to work in US. Languages: English. Proficiency level: native. You are a native of English. Even if what you are speaking is Kumasi, you are speaking Yoruba, you are speaking Igbo, then the second one will be Spanish. Tell them you are proficient. Even if you don't know how to speak, tell them you are proficient. So get the job. That's what we're interested in. How did you hear about us? Online. Then you heard about them online from LinkedIn. From LinkedIn. Do you have a high school diploma? Yes. Don't be scared, they're not going to ask you to upload. Click on save. So when you click on save, it takes you to phase 2 of the application, which is here. So this is phase 2. Please confirm how many years you've lived in the United States. You have lived 5 years plus in the US. Are you currently working on a similar opportunity with TELUS? No. If you tell them yes, they're not going to give you the job. So all these other ones, now I'm telling them yes. Yes. So you did not bet here, you did not bet on the ID you're applying with. So I'll come here to check